Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn application event in Lightning component. So that lesson, we have to pass the value from parent component to child component in Lightning order component. In this lesson, we will be see how to display a model pop-up on button clicking Lightning order component. So here I will be displaying a model pop-up, and inside the model pop-up will be display a custom form in Lightning order component. So let's jump to the my Salesforce org. So first I will create a component. So this is my previous component. So closing all of the component. Now I am creating a component, new component. So new and select Lightning component to create a new component. So write the name of the file. So pop-up component CMP. So now I'm writing the name pop-up CMP, then submit. Closing the description file. Here I will create a div. Before create a div, I will create a Lightning card. Lightning card provide a white background beside the content. Here title equal to display model pop-up in Lightning component. Inside the Lightning card, I will create a div class SLDSP around medium. So SLDSP around medium, it give a padding space around the container. So it is a predefined class of the Lightning design system. So inside this div, first I will create a button, Lightning button. And here label open model pop-up. This is the name of the button. And variant equal to brand, and on click pass the function name. Create a section for model container, and here add a class SLDS model. And inside the section, create a div, and here we'll pass the class name SLDS container. SLDS model container. Inside the model container, create a model header, and class equal to SLDS model header. Class name SLDS model header. Inside the header, add a cross icon to close the model header. So inside the header, I am adding a button. So this button, this is a function name. So whenever click on the button, model pop-up will be closed. So this is the title of the header, model header. Below the header, create a div and add a class SLDS model content and add another one class SLDS P around medium, so that content has some padding space between the container. Then here I will create a custom form div class equal to SLDS grid SLDS right. Inside the div I will create a div, another one div class equal to SLDS P horizontal small and here I will create a lightning input field. Lightning input type equal to text and label equal to name. So I create first input field. Here copy paste for the name phone. Here type phone and here phone copy paste for the email. Here type email label email and there is a city. Type text city is a string type. So here type text and city. So I create 4 input field inside that model pop-up name, phone, email and city. Then I will create a button div class equal to SLDS text align center and here I will create a button lightning button close the button label submit and variant equal to brand. So here I create a model pop-up. First define a header, then model content, then I will define a model footer. So here footer class name SLDS model footer. Inside the model footer I will create a button for cancel the model pop-up. Creating two button for one for the close the pop-up and second for the save. So here I am creating button. This is the close the model pop-up and this is the save. So if you adding a save button here, so do not need to add here button submit then save. So if I adding a cancel button on the bottom, so not required to add a top. So we can remove this line or remove this icon and use cross icon. So if I saving the file, I am getting error lightning button. So this is a spelling mistake. Remove the B, use G, lightning button. Then save the file. Now file has been saved. Now go to the JavaScript and first I will create a function, open the function. So I will create two functions for once for open the model pop-up, second for close the model pop-up. So first I will create a model open pop-up. So open model Excel. This is my function name, and second will be close model Excel. So component, event, and helper. This parameter pass. It is a mandatory for create a function in our Lightning component. Now, whenever user click on this button, model pop-up will be open. So I will add a Aura ID here. Open model and Aura ID, not this one, Aura ID, Aura colon ID. And there is a backdrop here. Add a SLDS backdrop to background fade beside the model pop-up. So model pop-up backdrop, model pop-up open model fade. I am adding two ID, Aura ID, model pop-up fade and model backdrop. So in the JavaScript, I will first find the ID. Component dot find this ID. Then I will add the class. So same, I will create a variable for this ID. Copy this ID. Variable, create a variable equal to component dot find and pass the ID name. And here $A dot util dot add class equal to this ID colon pass the class name SLDS fade in open and copy the line, paste here, add the class for this and remove this, add the class name SLDS backdrop open. So whenever user click on the button, this function will find the ID and on this ID, after that ID class name. So first I am finding this ID or ID and then adding the class name here. Same, finding the ID here and adding the class name here. So if you click on this button, class add on the SLDS model and model will be open, and after that I will close the model pop-up. So this is a cancel, close model pop-up on the cancel button. So I create a model, close model pop-up. Here I will close the model pop-up. So simply copy this variable and class, paste here, and ID will be same, but here instead of the add class I use remove class. Remove class so that this, when we click on the button on cancel, this class will be removed and model pop-up will be hide. So let me save my file. Now this component will be called on the application. So I am opening the application, Control Shift O. I already created application. So my custom add, this is my application. So remove existing component and here I will call my pop-up component here. So C colon the pop-up CMP. This is my component. Pop-up component and close the tag. Save. Check the spelling POPUP. So I calling this component in the custom application. Now preview the application. After preview this component, this display like this. So this is the button. This is the button, and this is the title display modal pop-up in the Lightning component. So this is the Lightning card title, and this is the button. Whenever click on the button, modal pop-up will be displayed. So now clicking on that. So as you can see, modal header. Inside the pop-up, I am displaying a custom form, and there is a save and cancel button. Whenever I am clicking on the save cancel, this modal pop-up will be hide. So now I am cancel this modal pop-up, and you can see modal pop-up hide. Open modal pop-up and cancel modal pop-up. So friends, if you are stuck in anything of issue to display modal pop-up in Aura Lightning component, please write in comment box, and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Take W3 Way. Thank you.